In the humble little house where love was the key, lived a mother so sweet as can be. Her children tried hard to find the perfect way to show their love on this special day. The flowers she'd get, they'd wilt after a week. The dinners they'd cook just made her weep. She smiled and she thanked them with all her grace, but deep down inside there's a different chase. The kids planned again to surprise and adore, with a heartfelt gift that would go above and more. But Mom, dear Mom, had a little secret desire, a brand new Toyota, her true love to acquire.